happy friends! Today we'd like to show you what and how to pack for 1 week travel or 7 days, so you don't forget the essentials. You know, for flights we can bring one backpack or one suitcase and one small essential bag. Now I'm going to show you what to bring, and everything must fit into one backpack. So for travel 7 days, I'd like to bring 7 shirts, 2 shorts, 2 pants, so the pants that we're wearing to the airport, and the pants that we are wearing for later, toiletries, electronics and charger for your phones and devices, sports swimwear, underwear for 7 days, a hat, a sunglass, a sandals, and jacket, because sometimes in the plane it can be so cold, so it will be good to keep your body temperature at a level during travel. And then I like to bring 1 or 2 shirts for formal evenings. So for example, if you suddenly need to meet someone is important, or someone that you need a formal wear, so normally I bring 1 batik and 1 shirts. And also, with nowadays, of course, we have to bring health protocols equipment such as masks, disinfectants, and wet tissue. All right, I'm going to show you how to all this pack into one backpack. See you in a bit.